Hey, come on in to compare notes on life and its many elements and surprises. I'm Ellen, here to share one short tutorial at a time. Come on, let's go, for this is about us, about you, for you.
Hey, you are here. Oh, great. And how punctual you are. As am I. Now, in this short notes on life tutorial, more elements on how to construct for yourself a true, proper, restorative, relaxing break. Please view the previous episode, the previous tutorial for the many deals all day long that you make with yourself. And there's the switching to silent mode, which I strongly recommend. There's the gazing out or gazing in. There's the leaning into the moment. Please view the previous episode. Now, what else do you need to construct for yourself a true proper break? Clear your deck. That's right. Be it for a 10-minute break, or lunch, or an afternoon off, or a weekend away, or a holiday, clean your deck. What for? Why? Give it a little think. I'll be right back. Well, did you do your little think? Yes, but of course, that's why you need to clear your deck. Because for most of us, we can say, your brain is wired for responsibility. We are used to being in work mode. We are trained to be in work mode. That's very useful. Yes, indeed. Tasks, jobs, commitments, responsibilities. Super. And then, what about when it's your time for a break? Clear your deck. Because otherwise, even before you will have finished that tea or lunch or in the middle of your weekend away, let alone that you get the whole of your holiday undisturbed, your brain will start, and I'm sure you recognize this process, your brain will start niggling, nip, 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 nudging. Now, did you prepare before we left? Did you think about, and shouldn't you? And what about, and nick, nick? Not now. This is my time. I prepared for this, I cleared my deck. There. Then there's this. Promised you last time, so don't go away. This is a beauty.
Like this? Hey, then please let me know. And for more content, make use of these buttons here below. Thanks. Now quickly, back to the video.
Now this, I chose as a symbol and strictly for decorative reasons because it's a gaudy, pretty little thing. But what matters is this. And it's looking pretty good today. Have a look. You see, this represents the biggest, and it may just be the most important of all the deals you make all day long. It's the negotiation between you and your boss in the bathroom mirror. It's the negotiation for permission. That's right. you request and then graciously grant yourself permission for any time off. Of work, of duty, offline, free. If you don't, the niggling will start. So, here we are. These are the elements. Now there's one more thing. Let me remind you of this. Hang on. Free time, truly, completely free time is precious. And you benefit most from this if you carry the awareness that, oh, hang on, wait a second, this is my time to do with as I please. Oh, hang on. You see what I mean. Now, while the sun is still out, I find I have some moments to lean into. So if you'll excuse me again, see you here next time. Deal.